How to change your location on Craigslist. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your location on Craigslist. First off, open up any web browser and head over to craigslist.com. Here you can find your current location at the top. Make sure to sign into your account before you do anything. Once you have been signed in and you want to change your location, on the right hand side panel, you have different options. Right now, the options are limited to only one country, which is France. If you want to select any other location, simply click on that. If you want to select a location from a different continent, for example, Europe, then click on that. Now you can select whichever country you want. Let's say that you want another continent. For that, you can click on the CL Worldwide option, and here you have the list of continents. Simply click on whichever it is that you want and a list of countries will appear. Out of this list, you want to select your preferred location. As soon as you click on that, your location on Craigslist will be changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.